In this video lesson, you will discover how to apply human body proportions in life drawing when portraying a model standing in contrapposto.
Human Body Proportions by Vladimir London. The height of the figure is divided in half. This is at the level of the pubic bone. Such division gives us 4/4 of the figure's height. The distance from the nose to the chin is comparable to the distance from the chin to the pit of the neck. In contrapposto, the line of the shoulders is tilted in the opposite direction to the pelvis. The half of the face is similar to the distance from the middle of the figure to the front hip bones. The trapezius's outline is marked in one continuous line. This helps to keep the shoulders on one level. The height of the face can be compared to the distance from the pit of the neck to the end of the breastbone, from the pubic bone to the navel, and from the navel to the breastbone. To place the hand on the hip with precision, we first draw the hand and only then mark the forearm. You can see the big triangle with its corners in the two shoulders and the navel. We can double-check the height of those triangles, which is equal to the height of the face. The insertion points of the deltoids are on the same level as the middle of the triangle examined above. The width of the ribcage is equal to half of the distance between the shoulders and pelvis lines. Another challenge you may have is to connect correctly the neck and the shoulders. I'll show here how to do it. The distance from the pit of the neck to the 7th vertebra fits twice into the distance from the pit of the neck to the ear. The distance from the chin to the nose is 1/3 of the face. It is also similar to the distance from the pit of the neck to the 7th vertebra. You can see that the knowledge of certain proportions allows you to draw a torso with precision. The calf muscle and the fish-shaped muscle define the outlines of the lower leg. The line of the eyes divides the head exactly in half. According to one of the proportion canons, this is also the dimension from the base of the nose to the pit of the neck. It is comparable to the breastbone and to the distance from the breastbone to the bottom edge of the rib cage, and from this edge to the front hip bones, and from these bones to the pubic bone. The same measuring unit can be compared to the length of a collarbone, and from the shoulder joint to the insertion of the deltoid. The upper arm is twice that measurement. The width of the head fits 3 times from the ground to the kneecap, and this measurement also fits 3 times from the hip joint to the knee. Here's the finished artwork.